Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm going to be reviewing the MARS PSM365. Now this is the bigger brother of the boat that I reviewed not too long ago, the PSM330. The 330 was an 11 footer. This one is actually a 12 footer. And since I received this unit as a demo unit that was already open and used, you guys gonna see some blemishes here and there. It's just part of the deal. But I want to show you guys around what it looks like. The bladders, of course, 25 kPa or 3.5 psi. Then you have the floor, it's 10 psi or 70 kPa. And the keel, 5.8 psi or 40 kPa. It's got a nice transom. Military grade plywood. It can hold up to 25 horsepower outboard. I'm using my 6 horsepower today with a 7.8 by 7 prop, which pushes nicely. But you guys see the seams and the weldings. You guys can see how it looks like. It's got the oars. Nice rope. And currently have it on top of the wheel dolly. I'm gonna be using to roll it down the boat ramp. So without any further ado, let me get started on that. Let's put it on the water. All right, right now I have it on the water. I got the outboard warming up at the moment, and very soon I'm gonna be heading to the lake. Show you guys what it looks like from the water, how it moves when it gets into plane. I brought my drone with me so you guys can see it from the air as well. So yeah. Let's get to it. All right, let's go ahead and reverse. Here we go. Turn around every now and then, get a little bit closer. All righty, we're moving along. I need to get out of the no wake zone. Should be out of it very soon. Let me see if I can give you guys a better angle. All right, onwards. All right, I am out of the no wake zone. Let's see how this little boat moves with a 6 horsepower outboard. Let's see if it gets into plane. Here we go. Very nicely, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, we're moving, baby. We are moving. Yeah. Yep. This little boat moves all right. This little boat moves all right. All right, so the boat gets into plane very nicely and quickly, like it is made for that. Now I want to show you guys a little bit of the real estate when I'm inside. So this is what it looks like. Man, it's a beautiful sunrise indeed. This is how much real estate I got. So this, plenty of space for camping gear, fishing gear, and multiple people. All right, so now that I've shown you guys what it looks like on the water, moving about, I'm gonna shoot the drone in the air and show you guys what it looks like from up there. All right. All right. I gotta say, when I was on the water going, I did yourself on the air. I just had a gigantic grin on my face. This boat, it not only is fun, it's spacious, convenient, because I mean, I brought it on my Prius. I mean, I drove a 2008 Prius. It was all rolled up in there. It's convenient, it's portable. I like it. And it's one of their budget boats. Even though it's a budget boat, it is well made, just like any other Saturn or Mars boat. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Later.